This is part 4. This is part 4, and it has to do with. I will tell you first of all that I am a liar, a thief, an alcoholic, bank robber. And when I was 10 years and 12 years, I was dating 14-year-olds. I wouldn't date a 14-year-old today because I'm 7, and I get about 50 years for that. But I usually tell you biblios, but I'm not going to talk about that this movie either. Biblios means collection of letters, all letters written to Jews. But this is going to be about sound. The sound. Listen and look at that sound. Do you hear that sound? Can you see that sound out there? That's sound. Uh-oh. It sounds like... You hear that sound? Okay, walk over there, take a picture of that movie, and I'm going to get in front of you. Get these guys in the background. Go over there toward the front of the truck a little bit. That's good. I got a background. That sound. Can you hear it? That sound. That sound. That one over there. That 6-year-old boy. That's Cole. Sound. This here guy here, Tyler. He don't got no sound. He sounded out and blew his engine out, so he got no sound. Cut it off now. Cut it off a minute. I'm gonna show you my sound. Cut it off. Now listen. Listen, be quiet. There is no sound, but listen to my rock and roll. Here. This is going on YouTube. Get down, Mama. See you later.